Karangu Muraya finally ni aria na ku address the controversy stories ya ndwari ya muini wa kwiyukiriria wa nyimbo cia kugoca Ngai Gitahi wa Wangari uria uikaine ta Muigai Junior ritwa riria amenyekanire nario thutha wake kwitania na muini Muigai wa Njoroge uria koragwo endete kumutukia handu-ini hau-ini na gwa kahinda riu ndeto cia ndwari ya Muigai Junior ni ikoretwo ikiariririo guku nenda-ini ta uria tukoretwo tukiona kuma o kiambiriria-ini kia mweri uyu haria murata wake wa hakuhi uikaine ta Cukura ya Nairobi akoretwo akiaria na kurekereria updates ya Kieha nenda-ini ciake akimenyithia mafans ma Muigai Junior oho na Kenya a wendi mwega meyumirie manyitirire Muigai Junior kuria akoretwo akomete thibitari umwe mwena wa Kiruguya haria admitirwo na kuria akoretwo akiamukira urigiti wake gwa kahinda ka mweri umwe riu na kuona ndeto ino ya ndwari ya Muigai Junior sometimes ni amukagirwo na itheru kurumirira situations cia kunukire some few years ago haria ndeto cia hithuririo ati he was cloud chasing na kurwara murimu kimiri wa cancer ya nda haria ahurithirie muini Muigai wa Njoroge ukirikana ni arekereirie mwana wake akwame thibitari haria Muigai wa Njoroge went deep to the story na agikorwo akiaraniria na mami wa Gitahi uria wahithuririe mwana wake Muigai Junior ritwa riria heirwo ni pastor wao kanini ndari arwara cancer ya nda na ni undu wa ndeto iyo riu Muigai Junior ni ekorete akigerera ruo runene kunyaririka oho na gutiganirio ni aini na namba nene ya mafans make kuona ndeto yake ya kurwara na gukoma thibitari ni yariririo na njira itarataukitwo wega ni ya Kenya until kindu 2 days ago haria Cukura ya Nairobi araumburire ndeto yake ha mutambo-ini wake wa Facebook akiuga korwo Muigai Junior ni gukua kwite nyandike tu rest in peace Muigai Junior ungiona bururi wothe wambiriirie kuga RIP ni turakwendete muno but for now he is alive gutiri andu marashugurika kwandika thibitari gwa kahinda ka mweri umwe na thiku na akoretwo o agikaira andu o muthenya gwake Ngai ririkana tu mwanake uyu Muigai Junior Gitahi wa Wangari ndumiriri iria ararekereirie thutha wa Gitahi kuga kugera mutambo wake wa Facebook ati ni arona andu manduma thome kwao na ituria guoya ririkiceirie mucii kwao akiuga mweri riu ni wathira akomete gitanda-ini kia ruo thibitari akiuria Ngai kai ariganirwo nike o ni kurumira ndwari yake iria muhotereirie haria umburite he will be undergoing a serious surgery ya kuruta kiga giake kia higo kana kidney yothe uhoro uria araumburire wiki hetuku akiuga this is my final journey it has been 3 years of pain but I know I will make it now please remember me in prayers I will be undergoing a nephrourectomy surgery this Friday it has not been easy I have fought a 3 years battle of pain and suffering it has not been easy at all but God has been faithful to me those asking where I am I'm currently at Kiruguya Medical Center kwa Wahome where I have been admitted for the past 3 weeks I know I will make it in Jesus name. Karangu riu akiumiria kwaria ciĩgiĩ ndwari ya Muigai Junior akiuga finally ni maranirie nake na akamutariria kuria arwarite oho na surgery iria gwikwo. Karangu akiuga I have been avoiding to talk about the health issues of this young man Muigai Junior Gitahi wa Wangari from our village Maithori just because of my personal issues and because I wasn't sure whether he's sick or not but for the last 3 days he has personally called me and told me about what he is suffering from and the surgery that he's set to undergo. Major Farafa, have mercy on you bro, as your elder brother I will visit you after surgery. Sometimes we fail to understand you because we always see as if you are cloud chasing. Speedy recovery ona ithuĩ tukimwendithĩria quick recovery.